Where are we going, Luck? We going upstairs? Okay. Let's go downstairs. Now watch. This is what we do when we go down the steps. I'm coming! Oh, he's not coming back. Or is he? Oh. Wait. Oh. Lucky! He's very excited, doggy. See why I can't get his picture? There he is. There's my boy. Hi. Hi, Lucky. What are you going to do? And there's his bed. A mess. Come on, do something for the camera. Do something. Jump it or something. You want to jump it? Look. Jump it. Okay, that's great. Jump it. Lucky, come here. Look, see my dirty floor too. Jump it. Jump it. Oh my. Jump it. There he goes. Look. Jump it. Come on. Alright. Lucky. One more. One more jump. Come on. Oh, you're too busy with your ducks and your chickens. Lucky. Look. Okay. Bye-bye, Lucky. Bye-bye. Come on. Lucky, come on. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. That's it. Say bye-bye.